Rudy. I'm from Evergreen. Napilitan na kamo. Mag-action ng ganito. Di kasi talaga ito.
Bonjour, I'm Brother Jerome De Leon, member of the Council of Elders of Birchwood. I was urged by Sister Marie to join this dancing hula hoop.
Hi, Joe Concepcion po, no? taga-Agar. I joined the COE dahil interesting daw, so here I am. Naka-join na. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Henk. I'm here for my sins, to take part in the dance, and to be honest, it's lovely to be here and to be included in this group. Thank you.
We are the legends!